Welcome back to the Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services channel where financial literacy meets empowerment. Today, we're diving into the exciting updates for the 401k retirement plan in 2025. Whether you're just beginning your savings journey or fine-tuning your retirement strategy, these changes could significantly enhance your financial future. So, what exactly is a 401k? It's a retirement savings plan provided by employers that allows you to contribute pre-tax income, helping your savings grow over time. Many employers even match your contributions, which is essentially free money for your retirement. Now, let's explore what's new in 2025, thanks to the updates from the Secure 2.0 Act. First up, we have higher contribution limits. If you're under 50, you can now contribute up to $23,500. Increase from $23,000 in 2024. For those aged 50 and older, there's a catch-up option that allows you to add an additional $7,500, bringing your total to $31,000. For workers aged 62-63, there is even a super catch-up provision, allowing contributions of up to $34,750. This is a fantastic opportunity for late career savers to boost their retirement funds. Another significant change is the automatic enrollment feature. Most new 401k plans will now automatically enroll employees, making it easier for everyone to start saving early. Plus, part-time workers will benefit from new eligibility rules, allowing you to qualify after just 2 consecutive years of working at least 500 hours per year, down from 3 years. And here's some great news for younger workers. Employers can now match student loan payments as if they were 401k contributions. This means if you're juggling student debt, you can still build your retirement savings simultaneously. So, why do these updates matter? They make it easier for you to save more for retirement. Start saving earlier even if you're working part-time. Catch up later in your career and maximize the benefits your employer offers. If you need help planning your retirement strategy, let Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services guide you through it. Call us at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com for expert support. If this video helped you understand the 401k changes for 2025, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your community. Remember, financial empowerment starts with knowledge and we're here to deliver it. Thank you for watching.